Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to change language in Tacticool. To change the language setting in Tacticool is super easy. First of all, open the Tacticool application on your device and from the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on the menu button. Now click on settings from the left hand side menu. After opening up settings, go ahead and choose the language option, which is located at the very first option. Tap on it and then select from the list of available languages. Simply select one of the language you'd like to change to, and right after that, you will be able to change your display language to your preferred language from the list. So that is how you can easily change your language setting on Tacticool. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back in the next video again. Goodbye till then.